Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Ikigai Creation.
I am Shreya Agrawal.
If you are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. As you all know, Christmas is coming, so today in this video we will learn that how to make these three simple Christmas ornaments in a simple way. So let's begin with our design one. First we will make a circle of 3 cm radius and draw a line in center and make a ribbon, and then we will cut the template. So here is our sample. Then we will take our sheet and so here we have cut all the pieces. These are all 24 pieces. Then we will apply Fevicol in the middle in all the 24 pieces. After applying Fevicol in all 24 parts, then we will apply our Fevicol in the upper area and lower area as shown in the video, and then we will stuck all pieces together by applying glue in upper area and in lower area. We have attached all the pieces together. Then we will open up it like this and apply Fevicol in the center to attach a string. So here is our design. Actually I have not attached this string because it is not good. It is not sticking. So I have attached this red one. So let's start with our design 2. Before making our tree, if you want to know how to make this genome, then you can click on the I button shown in the right top of your screen. here we are done with our tree. Then we will make our last ornament. So we are done making with our third design too. Hope you like this video, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.